What is warehouse robotics? Imagine a traditional warehouse with endless aisles and people driving forklifts. Now think of a modern warehouse for a company like Amazon or Shine. That incredible speed and efficiency is made possible by one thing: warehouse robotics. In short, warehouse robotics is the use of robotic systems and automation to optimize tasks in distribution centers. It's about robots that handle moving, sorting, and picking products quickly and accurately, making e-commerce run smoothly. There are several types of robots that work as a team. On one hand, there are autonomous mobile robots. These small robots navigate the warehouse on their own to transport shelves or packages. Unlike older guided vehicles that follow fixed routes, AMRs use sensors and AI to avoid obstacles and find the most efficient path, making them super flexible. There are also picking robots, which are robotic arms that use computer vision to identify, grab, and place individual products from shelves into containers for shipping. And finally, there are sorting robots, which are systems that handle sorting packages by destination at an incredible speed. So why do companies use them so much? The benefits are huge. Robots work 24/7 without getting tired, which translates to greater efficiency and speed. They help reduce costs by automating repetitive tasks, and by handling heavy and dangerous jobs, they also improve safety for human workers. Plus, their precision minimizes shipping errors. In short, warehouse robotics is the backbone of modern logistics, allowing companies to manage the complexity and pace of today's market with unprecedented efficiency.